So check this out. Telesin has their own pocket light, and it has a really cool and unique design. By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and this is a short, not short product review. Straight to the point and no fluff. So out of the box, you get the light, and it just has an interesting design and really lightweight, probably the lightest at this size. It comes with a USB-C charging cable, a cold shoe adapter mount. You can charge it right here, and the light has 2 quarter thread mounting points. And the cold shoe adapter works really well if you want to mount it on top of any camera. One thing that makes this light stand out amongst its competition is the dials. Most of this style of light just has buttons to change things, so you either have to hold the button down or just press it a lot. So having a dial is just a great way to get to it quicker and fine-tune it. And these dials also double as buttons for switching modes. So you have your regular light with different color tones and temperatures, HSI to find any color on the spectrum, and even adjust the saturation and vibrancy levels. And you also have 12 effects: paparazzi, firework, broken bulb, TV, lightning, party, pulse, police car, ambulance, fire truck, bonfire, and SOS. It's a really cool and easy to use light, and if you want one, you can pick it up on sale for under $70 and even lower with my coupon code, which you can find the link and the coupon code in the description, plus a surprise link. Telesin is a great accessory company, and I think you'll be happy with a light like this. But that's it for today's short, not short product review. Don't be a stranger, and I'll see you next time.
That's for Black.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.